We have already seen about theoretical probability. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. So the first question is, complete the following statement. Probability of an even A plus probability of an even not E is equal to dash. We know that probability of an even plus probability of complementary of that even is nothing but 1. The probability of an event that cannot happen is dash and such an event is called dash. Probability of an event that cannot happen will be always 0 and such an event is called as impossible event. Again, probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1 and such an event is called as sure event. Sum of probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is 1. Elementary event means an event whose outcome is 1 is called as elementary event. So, sum of probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is 1. And also, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Because we know that value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. It can be 0 as well as it can be 1 and always it lies between 0 and 1. Now, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? We know equally likely outcomes means those events are called as equally likely outcomes in which none of the events is expected to occur in preference to other. Such events are called as equally likely outcomes or equally likely events. Now, the first question is, a driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. This I can say that it is not an equally likely outcome because, so this is not an equally likely outcome because the car starts normally only when there is some defect and the car does not start. Usually the car will start, but when there is some defect, the car will not start. So this is not an equally likely outcome. The second one, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. He or she shoots or misses the shot. So this is also not an equally likely outcome because this outcome actually depends on the training of the player. If he plays well, definitely he will shoot the basketball, otherwise he will miss it. So it is not an equally likely outcome. Now, third one, a trial is made to answer true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. So this I can say it is equally likely outcome because either the answer will be true or false. Same way, a baby is born, it is boy or girl. This is also an equally likely outcome because a baby can either be a boy or girl. So both the outcomes are equally likely outcome. Now next question is, which of the following cannot be probability of an event? So definitely the answer is minus 1.5 because we know that probability of the event lies between 0 and 1. It can be 0 as well as it can be 1. So 2 by 3 is definitely less than 1. 15% means 0.15, 0.7. Only this is a negative value and probability of an event cannot be negative. The next question is, if probability of an event is 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Probability of not E, we know that probability of an event plus probability of not E is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of an event is P of E plus P of not E we have to find out. So, probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. 0.05 plus probability of not an event equal to 1. So, P of not E equal to 1 minus 0.05, which is equal to 0.95. Now next question, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Marlene takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? That is the first question. Second question is, what is the probability that she takes out lemon flavored candy? So can you say the answer? The probability of taking out an orange flavored candy will be 0. Why? Because in this bag only lemon flavored candy is there, orange flavored candy is not there. So it is an impossible event. Probability of an impossible event is 0. The same way, the probability of getting a lemon flavored candy is 1 because it is a sure event. If you take any candy, it will be a lemon flavored candy. So the bag contains only lemon flavored candy. Probability of orange flavored candy is 0 and probability of lemon flavored candy is 1. Now next is, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having same birthday is 0.992. And what is the probability of 2 students have same birthday? So not having same birthday means complement of that event is 0.992. We have to find out what is P of E. Let E be the event of having birthday on same day, and P of E means not having same birthday, not having same birthday or not having birthday on the same day. So I can write these two are complementary event. So when you add this, we will get 1. So we have probability of an event E plus 0.992 equal to 1. Probability of the event E is 1 minus 0.992, which is equal to 0.008. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn from the bag at random. What is the probability that it is red and it is not red? So we have a bag which contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So a bag contains red and black ball, 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Now we should find out the probability that the ball drawn is red or not red. So number of red balls is 3 and number of black balls is 5. Total number of balls is 8. So we can say probability of red ball is 3 by 8 and probability of black ball is 5 by 8. So probability of red ball is 3 by 8 and the question is probability of not red ball. Probability of not red ball is 5 by 8. We can write as 5 by 8. So thank you for watching my video.